Now it's time to write everything from scratch. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Click on File, click on Open Folder, go to your projects directory, select your project and click on Select Folder. Well, right now we have nothing to do with test directory, so let's delete it. And now let's go to lib directory and open main.file and delete everything here. Well, one thing to remember, a Flutter application must have one main.file, and in the main.file there must have one main method with a return type of void, and in the main method there must have the run app method. We can see a red squiggly here. Let's click on yellow bulb to get some suggestions. It suggests to import one package library. Let's import the material.dart package library. The red squiggly is gone. And in the run app method, there will be widgets, widgets, and widgets. So let's take the center widget to show the content at the center. And in the center widget, let's take the text widget as child. And in the text widget, let's pass a welcome message. Now let's save it. Click on debug icon, click on settings, click on drop down and select Flutter if not selected, and click on play button. And finally, select the emulator. We got an error message. It says no directionality widget found. So let's go back to main.file and add the direction to our text widget. Now save it and run the app again. Great. This time our app is running with our welcome message.